How to close account in Starling Bank. So it's simple. Just go ahead into your profile over here. We're gonna line it up with a red line so that you could see it much easier. So over here, you should be led to something like this once you press on your profile. Then just go ahead into the account details. In account details, select your account and whatever, but you should be able to see it here in your personal. Press on the triple dot button and you'll be able to see a delete account option. Then just press it from there. Once you press it, you'll be able to see this, which is basically confirmation on closing your account. You won't be able to open another one for 12 months and basically more info and whatnot. But if you press on next and you still haven't closed your account with £0, you should be able to see your money in spaces, deposit, interest earned, and whatnot. But you have to make sure your closing balance must be 0. You can select a payee to send it or whatever. Just make sure your account is at 0. But this is basically the process on closing your account. Just go ahead here into your account details and then just choose the close account option here in your personal. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.